Hello student, in this video we talked about how to use edit, cut, trim and copy paste option in the Filmora 11. So open your Filmora and click on create a new project. From here you click here to import some media file. So I import one media file from here. I click on this plus icon to edit in timeline. So it is my project setting, which I also make a video on project setting, how to set your project setting, and it is the media dimension FPS, right? So I used to use this, not to my project setting, right? So my project is editing to timeline, and first from here you see the zoom out option, and from here zoom in option. If you want to zoom out this, so you click on this minus, so it will be zoom out, and if you want to zoom in for editing purpose, so you click on plus and it will be zoom in option, right? So it is the zoom in and zoom out option, and it is the timeline icons. That's I call the timeline icons, right? It is this more option. So if you want to see the more icons, so click on it and you see all the icons. And if you want to see all the options in one place, so custom toolbar, so click on here, and from here you see all the option from here, right? The more option also visible from here, you see that option, and all the icon will be visible in that area. This is the most toolbar which is used in your video editing, right? So we discuss one by one. So it is the undo option. If you click on it, so it's undo, and if you click on it, Control Y, so it's a redo, right? And it is the delete option. And if you want to trim a video clip, so you choose your area and click here to trim it. So the clip is trim it, right? And if you want to trim another, so you click on again. And if you want to quick trim, so you first click on it. It is the quick trim option. So you cut it, tag it, and the video will be trimmed where you want, right? So click on it, right? So it is the crop option. If you want to crop a pic from so you click here and you crop your pic from here. You use is zoom option from here, right? And this is the text area. If you want to edit some text in your video or in your clip, so click on text. It is a quick text. Double click on it, so a text will be appear. So it is to open, we remove the one text. So double click on this text, its window will be open. Double click on this, right? So the window will be open. From here you scale its position. From here you rotate it, right? And from here you increase its size. It's 24, so we use it 48. The size will be increased, and from here you change the preset, and from here you change. I click on it, so plus icon, it will be added here. You see the color, and the color will be changed. From here you change the animation, so I added this animation. So the animation will be added right now, and from here you click the word art I want to edit this word art. So you see it will be edit, right? I change its position and increase the size from 80, right, to will be visible. And so from here you easily can edit a text, right? So if you want to delete a something option, so you just select it and then click it, so it will be deleted. It is the free space. If you want to be deleted the free space, so you select the free space and then click on delete option, it will be deleted. So from here you use the speed. If you want to increase the speed of an specific article, specific area, so select this area, and you may be slow this speed, you may be fast this speed, 2x, 4x, 8x, 100x, and you may be normal it, you may be freeze frame, and you will be reverse it. So it will be goes to reverse, right? And from here you also select the color option, advanced color tools, and from here you use the chroma key. These chroma keys will remove the green background. If you use the green background in your video, so this chroma key will remove the green background, and you also edit your favorite background which you have downloaded from any free pick tools, right? So click on more option, and from here you the duration, right? Input duration, you see that your input duration, select the video, and from here we discuss now the editing tool, keyframing tool, motion tracking. Motion tracking is a very nice option, you see it, and from here you just track an option in your video. We okay it, and again we click on motion tracking. You see the motion tracking option. If you want to track a specific part in your video, so you use the tracking option. So from here you use the mask, right? If you want to see this mask, so you also use it. You also circle, rectangle, and a heart you use in your motion tracking, right? Select this area and click on OK, and you are also use this motion, so you play it. So it is a short video about timeline icon, how to use your timeline icons in your Filmora 11. Thank you for watching for this video.